Papa, you were my rock when everything around me was falling apart. Papa, in your silence I heard the deepest I love you, Papa. Your worn hands told more stories than 1,000 books, Papa. Even when you doubted, you never let it show, Papa. You didn't have soft words, but you had tender gestures. And I still hear you in the wind, Papa. Even when you're far away, you're still alive. Your shadow follows me through the streets of my life. Papa, you're my guide, you're my shelter. Papa, when you looked at me, I knew I mattered. Papa, you carried the world without ever complaining. Papa, I saw your tears only once and it shattered me. Papa, your absence weighs heavier than any silence. Papa, I catch myself speaking like you, walking like you, and I still hear you in the wind, Papa. Even when you're far away, you're still alive. Your shadow follows me through the streets of my life. Papa, you're my guide, you're my shelter. Papa, sometimes I wish I could go back just for a hug, Papa. You weren't perfect, but you were my hero, Papa. Every scar on your heart is a lesson carved into mine, Papa. The day you're gone, a part of me will go dark, Papa. I write these words with the tears of a child who has grown up, and I still hear you in the wind, Papa. Even when you're far away, you're still alive. And every step, every silence of the night, Papa, you're my guide, you're my shelter.